everybody, my name is Manaka Sampathanaram, ID 5402220.
My name is Pawani Pupanian, ID 5402221. Today, Nation of Tour will take you to see Ratanakosi exhibition hall for in Thai because Ratanakosi.
Travel to here is very easy. You can take a bus 201 from Victory Monument and get off on the Rajadamnagar Avenue at Democracy Monument. It is located beside Mahajesaravadi Ground. The first room named Ratanakosin Ring Road or the Glory of Ratanakosin era is has 4D movie about establishment of Chakri dynasty.
The room in Hongketia Kangdin Siam. It shows the model of Grand Palace, the temple of the Annual Buddha.
All you see is only a minor part of our exhibition. If you have time, I would like to invite all of you to visit here for participating in our Goli history.